bounced and croaked with a happy grin, then splashed in the pond and swam right in. Four little frogs were hopping all around. One was green, jumping off the ground. He leaped so high with a big loud Ribbit, then splashed in the pond for a little dip. Three little frogs hopping by the tree. One was white, as cool as can be. He hopped on a leaf, croaked loud and clear, then splashed in the pond without any fear. Three little frogs hopping by the tree. One was white, as cool as can be. He hopped on a leaf, croaked loud and clear, and splashed in the pond without any fear. Two little frogs hopping just for fun. One was red, warming in the sun. She twirled and spun, leaping with grace, then splashed in the pond, a happy face. One little frog hopping with a smile. He was pink, resting for a while. He jumped and croaked, then waved goodbye, then splashed in the pond and gave a sigh. All the frogs are now in the pond, hopping and swimming here and beyond. Green, yellow, white, red, and pink too. 5 little frogs croaking just for you.